SoFi Invest Honest Review. Watch before using. SoFi Invest is a popular choice for beginner and intermediate investors, designed to make investing easy, affordable, and accessible. Whether you're looking to buy stocks, ETFs, or even cryptocurrencies, SoFi provides a streamlined platform with no commission fees, making it especially appealing for those just getting started. A standout feature is the automated investing option, which allows users to set up a diversified portfolio based on their goals and risk tolerance. If you don't want to actively manage your investments, this robo-advisor feature is a big plus. SoFi also offers fractional shares, meaning you can invest in big-name stocks without needing a ton of cash. The platform integrates seamlessly with SoFi's broader financial ecosystem, allowing you to manage your banking, loans, and investments in one place. However, it's important to note that SoFi lacks some of the advanced tools that more experienced traders might expect, such as in-depth research, customizable screeners, and options trading. For serious day traders, this might not be the best fit. SoFi's biggest strengths lie in its user-friendly interface, educational resources, and community-based perks, like rewards for using other SoFi products. Additionally, crypto trading is available, but be aware of the volatility and fees associated with it. Security is strong, and SoFi is a registered broker-dealer, which provides some peace of mind. To sum it up, SoFi Invest is ideal for beginners who want a simple, low-cost way to get started with investing, or for those already in the SoFi ecosystem. It's not built for high-level traders, but for long-term investors or those who prefer a hands-off approach. It delivers solid value. Just be sure to assess your financial goals before diving in, as the lack of advanced features could limit your growth if you're aiming for more sophisticated strategies.